Hi, fellow investors. This is Joe Gruender from investorshelp.net. It's Sunday evening. Hopefully, you all had a wonderful weekend. Earlier this weekend, I put out our Weekend Warriors newsletter. I'd like to share that with you now, and you can actually go to our newsletter by clicking on various links and see what's available for our free subscribers at investorshelp.net. As you can see here, we put out approximately 7 subjects, the first of which is how to make money trading stocks. It's a video review from primarily a technical analysis position of approximately 20 stocks or so. This is done by Dave and Dennis, two of our frequent contributors here at Investors Help. We have several meetings scheduled for March here in Northern California, and more recently I also added some meetings that I know about anyway, in Southern California. So if you want to check out some meetings, this is the place to go. As you probably know, I try to put out on a weekly basis 9 research reports and analysis covering momentum stocks, the best of the best stocks, what's going on with industry groups, and so forth. This is also available at Investors Help. We do have one additional video from Dennis Wilburn regarding the active trend trading system. That's available for your review. My daughter, novice trader Cindy, has a new video, What's Cooking at TD Ameritrade. For those novice traders or those people who are new to the Ameritrade website, this would be a good intro type video, and Cindy shows you what's available here at TD Ameritrade. We do have a Sector Surfer Users Group coming up in March. I'll share the details with you in a minute on that. And finally, a brief recap of what keeps us motivated here at investorshelp.net. And that's our special kids in Cavite City of the Philippines. So let's take a look. I'm a firm believer that if you want to get ahead, whether it's in business, whether it's in your career of choice, whether it's in the stock market, you really need to spend some extra time either after work in the evenings or perhaps on the weekends studying, gaining educational and insight into your selected career. That's true of becoming a trader or an investor in the financial markets. So you may want to pause this and briefly review what I have here for you. I do encourage you to check out our website and see what's more also available on the website for Weekend Warriors. We next have an analysis, primarily a technical analysis provided by David and Dennis, reviewing approximately 18 stocks to 20 stocks from a technical analysis standpoint. You'll find this very educational and very helpful, and it'll give you their insights into these particular stocks and what you could look for perhaps during the coming week or two. I'd like to mention Dennis does have an excellent service that's available, and I've negotiated with Dennis a 40 to 60% discount off of his regular prices if you use this link. In other words, you need to go to Dennis's site, but you need to go through investorshelp.net in order to qualify for these discounts. Either it's a 40% discount or a 60% discount, depending upon which particular service you select. We do have a variety of meetings here in Northern California, and as you know, a week or two ago I did start adding Southern California. So if you live in Northern California or Southern California, this information regarding all of these March meetings will be very helpful to you. And if you know of additional meetings here in Northern or Southern California, please send them to me so that I can add them to our future calendar and future events. Just send them to investorshelpnet@gmail.com. We did add one additional market stock talk video from Dennis and David at our website. It's always good to check this out. A lot of interesting and educational, helpful information for investors and traders really at all levels. As I mentioned previously, we have a Sector Surfer Users Group meeting coming up this month on March 23rd. That is a Monday night. We changed this night from our usual Wednesday night because Scott's going to be in Southern California over the weekend, and he said he'll come on through San Jose as he heads back up to the Seattle area. So, looking forward to meeting many of you. And of course, we're looking forward to seeing Scott Judds, the Chief Sector Surfer, founder and CEO of the SomeGrowth.com website and creator of Sector Surfer itself. So please put this on your calendar. Also, this weekend we put up a video that was produced by my daughter Cindy on what's cooking at TD Ameritrade. Now, those of you who have never been to TD Ameritrade or new to TD Ameritrade, this will be helpful. It's a short video, and Cindy reviews basically what's available at the website. There's a lot more information than you realize at TD Ameritrade. So we use the Thinkorswim trading platform, which is of course owned by TD Ameritrade. So that's why we focus on TD Ameritrade, and also there'll be additional videos coming in the future on the Thinkorswim platform. So you want to check it out. And finally, what keeps us motivated are our special kids in the Philippines. My wife and I go to Cavite City in the province of Cavite about every 2 or 3 years. We take school supplies, we take food, we take clothing, we take some candy, and yes, we do take toothpaste and toothbrushes so they can use it on their teeth after they eat the candy we bring. But anyway, we're going in looks like first couple of weeks of November. So we're trying to gather our supplies now and ship them over this summer in advance of our trip. But anyway, I have links now available by clicking here, which is on the Our Special Kids page. And if you buy anything from Amazon using our links, we will now get a small commission back to our website, which we're going to use for these kids, a bunch of special kids in Cavite City. So I ask you to please use those links. It won't cost you anything else, and it definitely will help the kids in the Philippines. So that's it for today. Be very cautious of the market, especially the first couple days of this week. We could have a continued sell-off. I'm hoping for maybe on Tuesday, as we say, turnaround Tuesday. Maybe we'll get a reversal in the price action. So that's it for now. Enjoy your week and let's make some profit. This is Joe Gruender saying so long for now from investorshelp.net. Take care. Bye-bye.